Good morning, artists. Welcome to week 6 of Advanced Portfolio, our midterm week. I can't believe where the time has gone, and here we are, and I'm just going to do a quick run through with our week. I haven't updated the rainbow wall quite yet. Shh, don't tell anyone. But we can hopefully get that up and running by the time you guys actually open the slideshow. If not, I'm sorry. This week we will have sketches. We will not have an artist spotlight. I need to update that as well. And we'll continue to work on our white transparent objects. I'm going to talk about that a little bit more. Sketches, there will not be a sketch check this week. Next quarter, we're going to redo how I check sketches just in Portfolio. You guys will have a different system, and I'll make sure to explicitly explain that next quarter. There's no artist spotlight this week because it's fall break and the grading window in my class closes on Thursday, which means I'm not allowed to take any assignments on Friday. So what would be our Freaky Friday is minute this week. It does not exist. Happy fall break. This week we are working on our transparent item assignments, and it is going to be a doozy. A really quick note. So by Monday, you should be working on your white color pencil drawing. You should be done with your practice. You should have outlined your objects by now, and you should have outlined the highlights and the shadows and where everything goes. Tuesday and Wednesday, you should be working on that again. And if you're going to be done by Thursday, because the grading window closes on Friday, then I really want you to be pushing as much as possible Tuesday, Wednesday. Those are going to be your big days where you're going to put on some TV in the background and just work as much as possible trying to get this done. Get comfortable with it. You can do this. Thursday is going to be your finishing details, and that's when you turn it in. Now, you can turn it in as late as you want on Thursday. So if it's 11:59 p.m. on Thursday, that's fine, as long as it's not 12:01 a.m. on Friday. And so Thursday, again, you can do some really good work and have some quality time with it, especially for my online students where they're not chained to 7 other hours and 7 other classes. You guys have a little bit more time at home to dedicate to this. Now, I understand you may have some crazy 12-page essay in English and a research project on the African toads in science. So that being said, I understand we are pressed for time with this project. I know, I get it. Timing sort of sucks. No matter how incomplete or complete, you must turn in a progress photo on Thursday. No matter what you have, even if it's a picture of your blank black paper, you must turn in a progress photo by Thursday. I know there are going to be many of my portfolio students who probably will not get this done in time. You are not alone. You just can't turn nothing in. If you turn nothing in, that's a 0. And I do not want that showing up on your midterm. Okay? All right, artists, we have a busy week. Good luck. Signing out.